Hello and welcome to .tech's channel. Today we're excited to unbox and take a closer look at the MetaQuest Pro, a high-end VR headset that's designed to provide users with a truly immersive and cutting-edge virtual reality experience. First impressions. The packaging of the MetaQuest Pro is quite eye-catching, with its bright design and sleek layout. Inside the box, we found the following items. 1. X MetaQuest Pro headset. 2. X MetaQuest Pro controllers. 1. X charging dock. 1. X 2-meter USB-C to USB-C cable. 1. X 1-meter USB-C to single Quest. Pro controller charging cable. 2 X controller styles. Rubber tips. 1 X protective cover. 2 X soft rubber light blockers. 1 X cleaning cloth. 1 X cable clip. Now let's take a closer look at the headset itself. The MetaQuest Pro features a 4K display with a resolution of 1800x 11920 per eye and a refresh rate of 72/90 Hz. The visible field of view is 106 degrees horizontal, and the lens type is Pancake. The headset is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 Plus processor and has 256 GB of storage, ROM, and 12 GB LPDDR5 RAM. It also features inside-out 6 DOF tracking with 5 internal and 5 external cameras, as well as eye tracking, face tracking, hand tracking, and body tracking using AI. The battery life of the MetaQuest Pro is around 1-2 hours, which is a bit disappointing considering the price point and features of the headset. However, we'll have to test this out further in our full review to give you a better idea of the actual battery life. Overall, our first impressions of the MetaQuest Pro are positive. The headset looks and feels premium, and we're excited to test out its features and performance in our upcoming review. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.